Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the project boundaries, genre, target reader, and a realistic word count. Once done, choose specific AI tools for outlining, drafting, and editing so you avoid switching mid-process. Make sure to create a simple folder and versioning system, date plus version, so you can roll back. Start with a brief seed idea and ask the AI for a 3-part outline, then refine one section now. This immediate iteration gets you moving and produces the first usable draft skeleton. You now expand the skeleton into full chapters by working in focused chunks. Request 1,500 word drafts for one scene or chapter at a time. After each AI draft, perform a human edit to fix voice, pacing, and factual continuity, then prompt the AI to revise based on your edits. Make and update a tone sheet and character Bible so the AI preserves consistency. Once a few chapters are polished, stitch them together and adjust transitions. This iterative loop prevents a disjointed You finish by doing staged polishing. Start with structural edits to reorder or cut, then line edit for clarity, and finally copy edit for grammar and consistency. Use AI to produce variant phrasing, then choose the best by human judgment. Make a formatted file and a mock cover, plus a short blurb generated and refined by you. If issues arise, like inconsistent voice, return to your character Bible, run targeted prompts on problematic chapters, and re-edit. That single troubleshooting step resolves most finish line problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.